Hello, super readers. We got some exciting news to share with you. Many of you might have reviewed, but I'm going to review this again. In your Clever page, on the main page, which is also known as the portal that takes you to all your different pages, there is also a digital classroom library. And they have it divided for kindergarten, first grade, second grade, all the way up to sixth grade. Your teacher knows your reading level and will advise you which library is best for you. And they might have, like in my case, for Miss Walsh, I put the 3 libraries that are best for me on my page as well. So you can either find them from your teacher's page, or you can always go back to the portal and they're here. So I'm going to review some important things about these digital libraries. So come along with me and we're going to go and find some books. I'm going to go into the first grade library. What's important about when you're looking for books, many of us are used to clicking on the pictures for the link. But in this site and in this library, you have to look for the red words. All right, say it with me. Look for the red words. You're going to click on, say I want to read, let's see, I like to explore the level C and D books. When it's not, I'm going to go into See Me Play. I'm going to click the red word. And then, oops, I got to find me. See Me Play. It took me right to my Epic site. So it tells me that my teacher will know that I've read this book. So we can go through and we can read this book. Do you notice what happens when I move my cursor around? If I want to change the page, I simply have to go to the edge of the book on the screen and an arrow will appear. So that is how I will read this book. And when I'm done reading the book, I'm not going to X out up here. I'm going to go to the top bar, and I'm going to X out of Epic because it will take me back to the library. So when I'm done with one book and I want to go back to the library, I'm going to go to the top of my screen and look for the bar. I see in my bar right now I have Clever, I have the first grade digital classroom, and the Epic books for kids. I'm reading this book in Epic. So I'm going to log out of that one. So now I'm back to the library and I can look at different books. And I can use this bar to scroll down. It's like looking through a big basket of books. I'm looking at all the different books in level C and D by using this little bar to the right of the pictures. Can you see those? All right, let's see. Owls. All right, so that is how you explore the libraries. Let's go back once again. So you go and you find the library that's just right for you. Your teacher will tell you which library is the right one for you. So generally, there's different reading levels in each group. So ask your teacher if you're not sure, but if you know your reading level, you can just find your reading level at the top bar. If your Just Right Books are G books, you're going to go into G. If your Just Right Books are EF, you're going to go to EF books. And you can also start reading and you'll figure out if they're Just Right books for you as well. And then when you want to get out of the book, you're going to go to the top bar and exit out. Have fun exploring.